Question B2. Questions in 4 parts. We'll deal with the first part. Describe the 4 factors that relate to the visual task of seeing detail. The 4 factors are size, illuminance, contrast and time. Dealing with size first. It's not the physical size of the object that's important, but it's the size of the actual object subtends with the eye. So that an object brought closer to the eye actually increases in size because the actual visual angle increases in size. The object itself doesn't change size. Second, illuminance. Illuminance is dependent on the amount of light striking a surface and the amount of light being reflected back into the eye. The more light the eye sees, the more clearly it will see that object. So for instance, if you're actually doing detailed work, then you shine a brighter light on that object. Contrast. Contrast is the ability of an observer to distinguish the minimum difference in illuminance between 2 areas, so that if we've got a very dark area and a very bright area, we can actually see that difference. The gradual changes in luminance mean it becomes more difficult to actually see that difference. And the final factor is time. As the eye and the brain starts to work together, it can actually start to pick out more and more detail, even at lower luminance levels, but it needs time to process that information and, if you like, fill in the blanks.